Welcome to the future of application development with V and 5, where your data can be transformed into a fully functional web application in minutes. My name is Jo Anderson, and in this video, I'll show you how to take a spreadsheet and turn it into a web application. Let's start by taking a look at the spreadsheet we're going to work with. As you can see, we're starting with a simple Excel file containing 3 worksheets. The first worksheet, Products, contains our inventory, including the current stock level, reorder point, and unit price for each product. The Stock Movements worksheet tracks all inventory activity over time, recording stock entering or leaving the business through deliveries, sales, and transfers. Lastly, the Suppliers worksheet contains the supplier and vendor information associated with the inventory system, allowing products to be linked to the business that provide them. Back in 5, all it takes is creating your application, as this sets the foundation for everything V is about to create. I'll name the application IMS, short for Inventory Management System. After saving the application, it will appear in your list. Simply select it, click Manage, then open V from the Profile menu to begin building your application. To upload the spreadsheet, click the Attach File button. V will begin reading the workbook. All V needs now is a prompt describing what you'd like to do with the file. I'll keep it simple and ask, can you create an application from this spreadsheet and populate it with the data as well? And that's all there is to it. From this point, V takes over, analysing the spreadsheet structure, importing the data, and automatically generating a fully functional web application. Once V has finished generating the application, we can deploy it directly to the development environment and begin using it immediately. I'll log into the application using the default credentials provided by V. On the first login, you'll be prompted to change and confirm the password to ensure the application remains secure. Since I'm logging in with the admin user, I have full access to the application and all its features. V and 5 has created a complete application from the spreadsheet, including a landing page, navigation menus, and the underlying data structures required to manage your information. The landing page provides an overview of the application, while the menus give you access to the key features and records generated from your spreadsheet. We can view stock movement reports, manage our products and suppliers by updating existing records or adding new ones, and create new stock movements by specifying whether stock is coming into the business or leaving it. As products reach their reorder levels, the application can also notify us, helping ensure inventory levels are maintained and stock is replenished when required. Thanks for watching. As you've seen, V and 5 can take a simple spreadsheet and transform it into a fully functional application in just a few moments. V helps you go from idea to application faster than ever. To learn more about what you can build with V and 5, explore the platform and start creating your own applications today.